What's up everybody, I'm Seth Fowler and today I've got a bunch of packages that I just haven't opened that mainly all got here like yesterday, but there's like one or two that have been sitting around for like a month. So I don't usually do like mail time videos, but I figured now would be a good time as any because I've got like 8 packages to open at once. Also, you may have noticed that I'm not in my regular studio. Instead, I'm in my living room because my studio is just that small and literally could not hold these packages, which doesn't seem like that much, seeing it on this couch, but yeah, it just didn't fit. But really quick, before we get into the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't yet. Also, if you didn't know, I'm doing a giveaway for this pair of off-white Nike Prestos in a size 10, just kind of as my way of thanking you guys for hitting 250,000 subscribers, because without you guys, I wouldn't be here. I wouldn't be able to bring you guys the content that you guys want to see, and I can't thank you guys enough. So this off-white Presto giveaway is my small thank you to you guys. If you guys want to enter for your chance to win this pair, it's open till September 6th, so all you have to do is click the link in the description below and follow the instructions on that website. But with all of that out of the way, let's get into the video. Okay, like I said, I've got a lot of packages, some bigger than others. I think I have a good idea of what at least some of them are. I don't know, like 1 or 2 of them are surprise packages, which obviously I didn't expect. I don't even know who they're from, honestly, but I also bought some of this stuff. So some of it's a surprise, some of it I may have just forgotten that I bought. Starting things off, let's do this one new pickup from Palace. I actually already wore it in one video, so you guys probably already saw it, but I figured why not show you guys an unbagging because this is the first Palace thing I bought all year. So here it is. This is the Palace, I guess it's the Ninja Star hoodie. I'm not exactly sure what to call it. I think it's a really nice looking hoodie. Some of you guys may know that one of my favorite colors is maroon, so I love the way it looks on this sweatshirt. I don't have a lot of maroon colored things, so this is really cool to have. On the front, over top of the heart, you've got this Ninja Star with a hand, which says Palace. You know, it's the Palace Tri-Ferg right there. And then on the back, you've actually got a Ninja Star being thrown, again with the Palace Tri-Ferg. This is just such a dope, simple, clean, like minimal hoodie. I just love the way it looks. Also, the quality of Palace hoodies is actually really, really good. So this is gonna be a high quality hoodie that can last me a long time. But obviously, being the end of the summer, I can't wear this again until either my air conditioning gets colder or the weather starts cooling down a little bit. So we'll see which one happens first. But yeah, I love this hoodie. I think it was $148 new overall. Dope. So next up, let's go over to this side to the other thing that I think I know what it is. A friend of mine actually made this for me. His name is Thomas. He runs this Instagram called Customizer Depot. You guys might have heard of it. He also gave me a note that says, "Dear Seth, thank you so much for rocking with us. We hope you enjoy rocking it as much as we enjoyed making it. Your friends, Customizer Depot." Thank you so much, Thomas. Thank you, Customizer Depot. Let's see what this guy looks like. So they told me this was coming and I'm actually really excited to see it because I don't have anything that's like this. I mean, I have a camera strap that's in the same style as this, but I don't have anything that's exactly this. Nice. Customizer Depot sticker first off. Nice. So guys, this is the off-white bracelet. I actually don't wear a lot of bracelets, but I could definitely rock this. I don't know why I'm trying to put it on like that. That's not the way to put it on. I think I do it like this. Put it on like that. I have small wrists too, so I'm gonna have a lot of slack on this bracelet. This is really cool. It looks like a watch strap except without the watch, and I love it. Yo, huge shout out to Customizer Depot and Thomas. I really appreciate it, man. This is dope. Thank you. What else do we have? Let's go with, I would think, a pair of shoes. Is that what this is? I ripped off the label, so I don't know for sure. Let's see what we got. Oh. No. Okay, yeah, I know what this is. Wow, it comes with a bag too. Great. It also smells like mothballs. Even better. The Sketch Air by Skechers, air-cooled memory foam. So as you guys can tell, I've got another video coming up, probably sooner than later now that I actually have the shoes. Like I said, I ordered these forever ago, and now they're just getting here. So, nice one, Skechers. Okay, here we go, guys. Oh, wow. Wow. This is the Skechers Sketch Air Atlas. Well, as you guys can tell, it looks like a Skechers Vapor Max, so that's great. What the hell? Wow, there's even more cardboard in here, too. Damn. Oh, ripped it. Great. Now I can't return it. Awesome. Sketch Air by Skechers, air-cooled memory foam. I doubt that. So this is the Skechers Vapor Max, or that's what the video is going to be called. I don't even like the Vapor Max in general, so this is worse. than that. And also there's like no air in this at all. Like if you're gonna like lie and say that this is a Vapor Max, or if you're gonna try and rip off the Vapor Max, at least make it maybe better, or like give it more air or give it something. Don't just make it look like more of a mouth guard, because that's what this looks like. It looks like there's teeth on the bottom of this shoe. The Skechers Air Atlas. Just a beautiful, wow, they ripped off literally everything on this shoe. Like everything about it. Nice, Skechers. Did it again. Expect a video for these guys very soon. Okay, so I've got two that I know what they are and one that I don't know what it is. And I'm gonna save this one for last because I have a hunch that it's probably shoes. Because whenever I get a package that I don't know what it is, it's usually shoes, because shoe brands send me stuff. No one really else sends me anything. So I'm assuming that's what this is, but we'll get to this one last. Moving on to these guys. These are from the recent Supreme drop that just happened. Obviously one's a shirt, one is something else, you guys will find out. But these both dropped on the Monday online week 1 drop, and they arrived, well this one at least, arrived on like Wednesday, and then this one arrived today, which is Thursday. Obviously I'm gonna drop this video a couple days later, but that's when I got these, so it was super, super quick shipping. I was really surprised about that. Both of these things I copped manually. This bigger thing, I was good to go. It was like no problems at all. The smaller package, I wasn't sure if I was gonna be able to get or not, because when I checked out, it said that there was like a checkout error. So eventually, like a day later, I got a confirmation, and then obviously, you know, it shipped. So it worked out, but it is what it is. I'm really glad that I have it. Hopefully it's the right thing, but we'll find out when we open it up. Let's start off with the big thing first, because I for sure know what this is, and I wanna get this box out of the way. So let's open this guy up and see what we've got. So I'm not a huge Supreme guy. Like I buy Supreme stuff pretty regularly, but it's usually for like a video or to sell or something like that. Both of these things though, I might actually keep. The smaller thing, if it is what I think it is, I'm gonna keep for sure and wear. This bigger thing, we'll see. I think I'll keep it though, because it's pretty cool. I probably won't use it for what it's supposed to be used for, but I'll probably keep it. Okay, let's see what we got. That stuff out of the way. Move this stuff out of the way. Let's go off to the side. So as you guys can tell, we've got a very large Supreme bag, and inside the Supreme bag, we've got another box. Okay, you guys have any guesses yet? I'm sure you guys do, because it's like a pretty decent sized thing, and you guys know what accessories drop, so I'm sure you guys know what it is. By opening this, am I ruining the resale value? Like I said, I probably wasn't gonna resell it, so it doesn't matter that much, but. Oh, name brand, if you're watching, I know you want this. You can't have it, it's mine. Here it is. Oh man, what a giant waste of money. It's like 118 bucks for this. There's a giant hair in this. So as you guys can tell, this is a Supreme toolbox, just a metal toolbox with Supreme on it. Nothing that crazy. I actually do kind of like the way it looks. I haven't actually seen it from the front yet, so I can't say that totally yet. Okay, let's open it up. I wonder if this like actually has a shelf. Oh, there are the stickers. Okay, so we've got 2 Supreme stickers, as you would expect. The red also doesn't match the box. Great Pantone work there, guys. Oh, nice. We've got a Supreme Bouncy ball. I didn't know this is what was included with the purchases. That's actually really cool. I wonder if that's what I was feeling in that other package. Probably what it was, because I was feeling this package and I felt something round in here and hard, and I was like, wait, did they not send me the right thing? But I think it's just a bouncy ball now that I'm seeing this. That's actually really cool. It like distorts the logo too when you look at it from different sides. Dope. Okay, so rounding off the toolbox, it's a toolbox. That's what it is. You get some stickers, you get a toolbox, it's red, it says Supreme on it. Will I keep it? It's pretty cool, I'm probably gonna keep it. Let's put this off to the side. Now that we've got the toolbox out of the way, let's open up this guy. The thing that I wasn't sure if I was actually gonna get or not. Super stoked if this is actually it. This is something I really will wear. Supreme bag. Bouncy ball, yep, that's what it was. Good, I'm gonna keep this one in the bag. What else, do we have any stickers in there? Whoa, what's this? Okay, so we've got a, why is it like sealed like this? This is weird. Supreme box logo, Supreme bottle cap sticker, which is actually pretty cool. Not mad at that. And then we've got a Life Sucks Die Gangsta Supreme. Now for the main event, the thing that I didn't think I was gonna get that I actually ended up getting. So I'm really stoked on this. It's actually kind of interesting because the same thing that happened with this happened with me with the Nas tee. It's that I didn't get it, and then like 2 hours later I got a confirmation email. So I guess it just worked out 2 times in a row. I've never copped the bot or anything like that. It's all been manual. Like I copped the Supreme mini bike with manual, so it's definitely possible to cop manually if you need to. But here we go. The Supreme Madonna T. I still have hair on me from the Supreme box. What the hell? The Supreme Madonna T in white. I didn't realize that this image was gonna be a huge printed graphic. I thought that it was gonna be just the red that was printed and the white was actually just gonna be like seeing through to the t-shirt, but no. Everything is ink. The text actually has a different feel to it. The text feels more like dye than like printing, but I'm glad that worked out because like I said, like it wouldn't have been the worst thing in the world if I couldn't grab it, but you know, I like when things work out in my favor. Now on to the last package, the one that I am most excited about because I have no idea what this is. Okay, I see some text now. Okay, I see what we got. Oh man, this giant box too, this is dope. There we go, very cool. NMD printed series. So I know what this is gonna be, probably. I know at least what series it's from. I don't know which shoe it is, but let's open this guy up and see what we've got. Oh, nice. Adidas and Champs. I actually haven't gotten anything from Champs yet. This is my first Champs package. This is cool. It says Adidas Originals presents the printed series. NMD as you have never seen before. Using revolutionary printing technology to mark Booth's unique surface opens up new possibilities. It's a first. It's our invitation to explore the city and make it yours. Okay, so it looks like on the top of the package we've got some stamps. Printed series. Pretty cool. Got another one. I'm hoping this is an Adidas tray foil. It is. Nice. That's awesome. And then of course you've got some stamping ink right here. Is there anything that I can stamp on that I won't ruin if I stamp? Let's stamp the back of this, actually. Here we go. That's actually pretty cool. Okay, let's take off this top layer. Oh, we've got the shoes. Here we go. This is not actually a colorway that I've seen before. I've seen the one that has white boost on the bottom, but I didn't realize that they actually did a black boost with the white NMD stamped on the back. That's really cool, actually. This is the first NMD I've picked up in a while, too. This is gonna be cool to have. So here they are, courtesy of Champ Sports, the NMD R1 stamped pack. This is the New York City themed variant with the black boost and the white NMD on the back. Oh, it says NMD NYC. Oh, that's pretty cool. So the upper sort of feels like mesh, but I think it's been printed on. Yeah, it's printed mesh. So like it's a little bit stiffer than regular mesh, but it still feels pretty flexible, still feels pretty good. It's got a similar print actually to kind of like that bait print that we've seen on NMDs before. And then of course you got your white outsole with your orange hit on the bottom. Very clean, a nice looking pair of shoes. I'm not mad at this. Thank you so much, Champ Sports, this is cool. I also of course like the NYC touch, that's awesome. So here they are, the Adidas Printed Series NMD. A very nice looking shoe. I definitely like the sort of NYC vibes. It's very clean. Of course, I got my new stamp set too. Not mad at that. Thank you again to Champ Sports and Adidas Originals for sending out this package. I love it. I really appreciate it. Thank you again to Thomas Vella and Customizer Depot for the off-white strap. This is sick. Everything else I bought myself, but I'm still pretty excited about, like the Supreme stuff, the Palace hoodie, maybe not so much the Skechers, but you know what? Video coming soon. Don't worry. Don't forget to enter the off-white Nike Presto giveaway. There's gonna be a link in the description below. All you have to do is subscribe. It ends on September 6th and the winner will be announced officially on September 7th, so stay tuned for that. Seriously, I can't thank you guys enough for 250,000 subscribers. It's nuts. It's unbelievable. Thank you. But once again, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe down below if you haven't yet, and I'll see you all in the next one.